Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to hide apps in calculator in Samsung A16. If you are using A16 and now you want to hide your apps in calculator, so let's see how can you do this. You must have to open your Play Store app and here just go for search and just search for calculator lock. Just search for this and then you'll get this. You must have to tap on the first tab which is hide your calculator lock. You must have to install it. Just tap on install and it will be installed on your phone. Just wait for its installation, then we will have a simple setup. After the installation, just tap on open to open the app, and here just select agree and continue, then grant permission. Just tap on grant and then select allow permission here. And here you must have to create a pin. As I'm going to create, let's say this one, just enter the pin, then tap on the equal icon, then enter your pin again to confirm that. And here you can create a familiar gesture, but I'm going to skip this one. And then you must have to skip that ad. After that, you must have to tap on hide apps to hide your apps. Here, just select the apps which you want to hide. I'm going to hide these, and then tap on next. And here, just tap on enter, and then select calculator from here. And that's all you have hidden your apps. Just tap on OK, and your hidden apps will be moved to calculator. You can find your apps in on your home screen or app drawer. So let's see how can you find that. You must have to open calculator, and here just enter your password or pin, but just after loading, and here just enter the pin, and here you will easily get all of your hidden apps. So that's how you can easily hide your apps in calculator in Samsung A16. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.